Welcome back. So in the last session, we have learned how to create the rich filters and how to create the dashboard. We also learned how to create the rich filter, and for that rich filter, we need to assign download and install the rich filter of add-in if it is not available, the extension one. Mostly all those corporate environment definitely they have the rich filter installed because that is very useful. We have also seen that how we created dashboard which was dynamic in nature. It is still open on my screen. You see that we have created this dynamic dashboard which where we are able to filter the data based on the some different criteria and we click on the apply. If you want to make the changes, you can go ahead and change. And if you want to do the and or not, for example, if I want to do in progress or to do, then apply. So currently the jQuery is something like where the status is either in progress or in to do state. And let's remove this one. And I want to see only the issue type is bug or story and apply. So we are able to create this filter dynamically, and this filter work very perfect, very well. We also see that how we can change from a tabular form to the graphical form. If you see there, these are the options that which can be used to move from one change the columns name. If you see that story to bug to story, just switching from here. If you want, then you can select and drag and drop from here as well. So I would suggest no. If from here, if you want, then sort from the these columns. Now let's go ahead and let's learn how we can create a Confluence page, and we will create a Confluence page for this project which will be used for the storing some document regarding the project. We'll also see that how we can import these type of data on the dashboard so that we can present during our meetings with the management or anyone. So go back to this one, and from here let's click on the Confluence page. For this project, I have not created any Confluence page. That's why if you see that it is asking me to create a Confluence page. I'm going to create try now. So it will create a Confluence page for this my project learning logic. Now if you see that it started creating a Confluence page. And it is also giving some option that what are the advantage of using the Confluence like create, comment, collaborate one page. Now it started working on creating page for me. It may take few moments to create the Confluence for page for you. It is also creating a link between your project and this Confluence page currently created. So if you see that all done, you are good to go, and this go to Confluence page is enabled. Creating Confluence page. Now we are on the Confluence page. Now what you tried, what you want to use the Confluence page. These are some options available. If you want create a knowledge base, then it will give you a simple page article, how to articles. Collaborate across the team and trying out just for the different thing. If you want, then select or better to escape. I'm creating options and I'm going to use this for software development. Based on the topic what you've selected, it will give some default template for the Confluence page. So it is better. Let's go ahead and use the development, or if you want, then you can go ahead and create the project management. So for this training, I'm going to use the software development only. If you want to invite some of your team member who have the access to this Confluence page and create, then you can go ahead and invite. Currently, there's only one user. I'm not going to add. Now, if you see that these are the options, you are on 40-day trial of Confluence standard. If you want to add some payment detail and you will get some extra feature, but for training purpose, it is not advisable. If you are using the corporate environment, then you can go ahead and use this one. For currently, I'm using the free version and I would suggest you to also go ahead and use the Confluence version. Now if you see that a Confluence page has been created for me, which is of the software development. And these are some of the things which we did in the last one. And these are some training session which has been created automatically. Okay. So one Confluence page. Now this was how to create the Confluence page. Okay. Let's go to the next session, that how to create, use this Confluence page. Okay. So let's meet in the next one.